So students, now will move to the next chapter, that is chapter 2, entrepreneurship. So first of all, we'll know about uh, enterprise. So enterprise is basically a company where entrepreneur is a person who develops or fosters a new idea and execute it to establish a company or enterprise. So basically, the process of launching the enterprise by an entrepreneur is known as entrepreneurship. So now we'll come to the meaning, who is an entrepreneur? So entrepreneur is a person who develops or invents or fosters a new idea and therefore gathers and assembles all the necessary resources so as to continue the business operations and the activities smoothly. So, entrepreneur is a person who undertakes an enterprise, assembles and gathers all the resources pertaining to business, all the inputs, such as money, that is the most important thing, the finance, because the funds should be available so as to procure the materials, labor, manpower, and the space means the land needed to run the enterprise. So, an entrepreneur is a person who fosters an idea and initiates and executes that idea and assembles and gathers all the necessary resources such as manpower, money, material, methods, resources, so as to convert and transform those inputs into outputs. So, this is also the function of entrepreneurs to so as to transform and change the raw materials into finished product and services, because an entrepreneur purpose is to sell. First of all, they have to produce the goods and services in order to sell that. So entrepreneur has to transform the input into output so that he can produce the product and then they can sell it to the consumers for fetching a decent price, fetching a reasonable price for it. An entrepreneur should have these traits or qualities, such as an entrepreneur should have foresighted, he should have a good vision, and he should be hardworking, he should be passionate, he should be opinionated. An entrepreneur should have all these qualities, the attributes that the entrepreneur should possess the innovation. Innovation means uh, the person, the entrepreneur should bring some new ideas, some relative uniqueness features so that he can add to the product and services which make it relative unique. And entrepreneur should be risk bearing, means the person should have the quality to take the risk. He should be a very adventurous person to take the risk, because risk bearing should be a very good capacity. And the next feature is that uh, he should be a person who should have a very foresighted vision, and he should always look for uh, allotting and allocating the resources so as to transform into a finished product and to sell those product and services and make money from it. An entrepreneur is also known as a self-employed person, means entrepreneur always looks for a best and a unique idea, and then the entrepreneur makes use of all the opportunities to consolidate the business and assembles all the necessary resources so as to transform into the inputs into outputs and sell them to make a profit. An entrepreneur looks for all these ideas so as to make a startup, and then and he does not want to work under others because he is self-employed, and risk bearing is very high, because if he is giving the idea, the investment should be his own, so risk bearing is high. So risk, if there is minimal risk, there is minimum return, and if there is a high risk, so it is high return. An entrepreneur does not get a salary from a company because he is the owner of the company. So the profit, the reward, that is the profit which can be uh, uncertain. It's not regular that there will be profit. So profit, which is very much irregular and uncertain, and there can be losses too. And so this is the definitions. You can look through. I have written in the board. So, entrepreneur is a person who undertakes an enterprise combining all the factors of production, land, labor, capital, etc., so as to transform the inputs into outputs and then sell it to the consumers for the utility. They can, so the goods and services fill their utility and they can pay the money and thereby making profits of it. And there are some attributes or the qualities of entrepreneur. Innovation means some creativity and some new ideas linked to it they should bring on the table, and they should have the of quality that risk bearing. Entrepreneur should have uh, the thing or the quality that they should take the risk, they should venture forward, they should not be very conservative or cautious, shy in nature. They should be very much bold enough to take the risk and plunge the risk, and that is organizing all the resources in order, assembling all the resources. So I hope you get my point. So do refer, listen to the audio clips and watch the entire video, this one. And even if you are having some doubts, please revert back. I'll definitely resolve your doubts as soon as possible.